Muscovy duck farming is very popular throughout the world. The Muscovy ducks are generally large in size and native to Mexico, Central, and South America. But today, the breed is highly available and common throughout the world. Although the Muscovy duck is a tropical bird, it adapts well to cooler climates. The Muscovy ducks are not true ducks. And it's actually a completely different species of waterfowl, the cairina moschata. Muscovy duck colors are usually black and white. They are fairly long-lived, with an average lifespan of 8 to 12 years, but Muscovies can live for up to 20 years in captivity. 4 to 5 square feet housing space per bird will be enough. They are very hardy and strong birds, and they grow relatively faster. It is a large duck, with the male Muscovy ducks about 76 centimeters long, and weighing up to 7 kilograms. Female Muscovy ducks are noticeably smaller, and only grow to 3 kilograms. Starting a commercial Muscovy duck farming business is very easy and simple. However, the Muscovy duck farming is very popular for meat. The meat is 98% fat-free, is much less greasy than other ducks. Muscovy ducks' meat have very good demand and value in the market. Males reach sexual maturity in 29 weeks, and the female matures in 28 weeks. The mating season of the Muscovy can last from August to May. They will mate on land or in water. Keep one male duck with 4 to 5 female ducks for good and successful breeding results. The hen lays a clutch of 10 to 20 white eggs, which are incubated for 35 days. Once the eggs begin to hatch, it may take 24 hours for all the chicks to break through their shells. Domestic Muscovy ducks can breed up to 3 times each year. Domesticated ducklings are agile and speedy precocial birds. The ducklings will stay close by mama for 10 to 12 weeks to keep warm and safe. For the first few weeks of their lives, Muscovy chicks feed on grains, corn, grass, insects, and almost anything that moves. Their mother instructs them at an early age how to feed. Feeding the birds with good quality and nutritious food is the most important part of Muscovy duck farming business. So, you have to try to feed your ducks with enough good quality and nutritious foods. Never feed them with contaminated food, and always provide them with enough clean and fresh water as per their demand. Yes, Muscovy ducks can fly and escape from homesteaders' properties. To keep this from happening, either clip their wings or make sure their basic needs are being met: shelter, drinking water, and water for them to swim. Muscovy ducks are a personable bird that loves to hunt flies and mosquitoes, among other things. Vaccinate them timely and keep good contact with a vet. The Muscovy ducks are also gaining popularity as backyard pets and also as exhibition birds.